It's Batavia Downs Racetrack and Casino. Taking you down the end of the casino here so you can kind of see what it looks like. They did a lot of remodeling, and the windows that you can see are hotel rooms. There's about 80 or 85 hotel rooms, so if you book, you gotta book early, else you're probably not gonna get anything, depending on what is going on at the venue at the time. I'm across the street from it just so you can kind of get a view of it, and you can see how nice it is and all the work that they've done. Inside is remodeled a little bit, smells fresher. They have just a smoking room so that people aren't choking in smoke. I'm going to put you up a little bit above the cars, and this is where you cross. Across the street, not get killed, hopefully. There we go. Now we're gonna go in. Now we're at the famous penny horse. The whole thing is covered in pennies. So when you come here, just do what I'm about to do right now. Walk up, penny horse, rub it for luck. Good juju. Good juju penny horse. Now we're in the hallway at Batavia Downs. And these are some of the jockeys' outfits. And then I'm going to peer right through the door so you can kind of see. Hopefully we can see. There we go. Some of the seating, and then seating onto the track. And I'll get what I can later. Horses are starting to do their warm-ups. This is what you see when you have a trackside view from the hotel. It's pretty damn cool. You can watch all the horses coming along and warming up, ready for the races. There's 3 races tonight at 6 o'clock. This is a view from the window at Batavia Downs. This is what you'll see if you get a trackside room. It's pretty cool. You can see all the race numbers. Watch the races in the evening. And the bands and the events are held here. So if you come out to Batavia Downs, get yourself a trackside room. Get in on the excitement.